Hello, my dear sister, my dear brother. Do you want to be a YouTuber? Did someone told you to join YouTube? Have you been hearing about YouTube? Do you want to become a member of YouTube channel? Guys, are you ready? Are you sure you are ready? Hello beautiful ones, welcome to my channel. This is your dear mama. What's up? If you are new to my YouTube channel, I welcome you. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by to support your girl. I appreciate you so much. So guys, I want to share my story with you guys, my journey of a YouTuber. It was not easy, guys. Yes, it was not easy. Are you willing to join the family? Do you want to be a YouTuber? You cannot just wake up one morning and say, I want to join YouTube. My advice to people that want to join YouTuber or that want to be a YouTuber, sit down, bring your glass of water, your glass of juice, anything you want to drink, sit down, this video is for you. Before I started my YouTube channel, I never make any research. I just woke up one morning, like as I came to Germany. I was just 3 months, I got pregnant, so I was just all at home. In fact, the story was too much. I came to Germany, I started my Dutch course. 3 months after I started my Dutch course, I got pregnant, and after that, I could not continue with my study. I was so bored at home with my baby. My husband would go to work and I would be alone with my daughter. Only 2 of us. The house was so boring, watching TV, eating, nowhere to go. I don't know anybody, I don't know any friends. I was just all alone at home. It got to a stage I was so tired, I don't know what else to do. A friend of mine thought about YouTube channel. Let's open YouTube channel, because we said, yeah, it's a good idea. Just like that, I opened my YouTube channel without making any research, without thinking about, is it going to favor me? How does it work? What does it take? I never knew all that. I never know that when you become a YouTuber, you have to fight for 1,000 subscribers. You have to work for your 1,000 subscribers. Then after that, you have to go and look for 4,000 watch hour before you will get monetized. Guys, I never knew all this until when I started YouTube. The journey was not easy. I got my 1K. It was not easy. Then I was having 70 subscribers for some months. In fact, I cannot explain it, guys. It's a long story. But to cut the long story short, I got my 1K. I started fighting for watch hour, which that was the deep, as in the hardest part of it. I keep on fighting for my watch hour, keep on fighting for my watch hour. My dear sister, my dear brother, do you know the pain I went through? At times I will be live streaming and someone will go and report my video, or people will report it. You will not even know who is reporting you. You will not even know what is happening. You will just be, after at times I will come to live streaming. Maybe I have decided to make live streaming like 6 hours or 4 hours. Before 3 hours, or let's say 4 hours or 5 hours, they will take the video down. And once they took your video down, you know what happens? Your hours is gone. Either when you make an appeal, YouTube will give you right to make an appeal, and that appeal to show that your video does not violate anything, and they will now go through the check. After checking your video and see if everything is okay, they will release your video. But in that process, your hours have reduced. You will not get the exact hour. That is by the way. Do you know how long it took me till I got monetized? That was the joy of it. Because before you be a YouTuber, before you say you are a YouTuber, I know that I'm still a small YouTuber. But without notwithstanding that, is not easy, guys. Is not easy. YouTube is not easy. Are you ready to bring out your time? I know if took the grace of God for my husband to understand me on that YouTube channel. I know what I went through. YouTube have caused a lot of marriages damage. As in, a lot of people marriages are damaged because of YouTube. It takes a lot of time. Are you willing to do that? Are you willing to go through all that stress? Sometimes you can get depressed because of YouTube. It takes a lot of time and energy. And the worst part of it, after making your video, you will finish making video, you will not get views. That one. Are you ready to go through that? Not only that, the money they are paying, YouTube don't just pay you as in like they used to say, hey, there is money in YouTube, there is money in YouTube. Before you start listening to all those things, please, my dear sister, my dear brother, make your own research. Find out very well and think within you if you are willing to do it. If you can do it, it's not something you just wake up one morning and said, yes, like as I did, that was my mistake. You know, that was my mistake, and I'm here to tell you my story so that people will learn from it. Please make your research. Because why I decided to make this video, I come across one post on a social media, somebody advising people to go and join YouTube and be a content creator. It's not easy to be a content creator. You will create a video after taking your energy, editing, everything, try to make thumbnail, in fact, the stress is not easy. And as a parent, as a family person, or as a married woman or a married man, because I cannot imagine the stress I'm going through. But I know that they are going through it. It's not YouTube. There is no one-way express. The only way people make it on YouTube, they will not tell you. But my dear sister, my dear brother, if you really want to be a YouTuber, go and make your research. There is nothing like you knowing the things you want to know by yourself and find out the real source of it. Is not easy. YouTube is not easy. So guys, I believe I have said a lot, because this story, I don't really want to make this video too long, because this my story is really something I need to share with you guys so that others can learn from it. YouTube is not an easy thing. Before you be a YouTuber, you must decide. If you are a married woman, you must decide with your husband, your spouse, your partner, your boyfriend, any person you have, you must discuss with the person and make sure you both have an agreement before you said you want to be a YouTuber. And you must make sure you volunteer your time, quality time, not just one day time. So when you see people out there celebrating, I am monetized, hey, I am this, oh, I have a YouTube channel, go and make your own research and think. It's not easy if it's something you can do, because those people that is making it, they said it's not how far but how well. like they said, it's not all that glitters that is gold. Yes, guys, yes, YouTube is not easy. But to make this long story short, know when you call it a quit. Know when you have to give yourself a break. Don't let YouTube to weigh you down. Don't let YouTube to frustrate you. Don't let YouTube to make you get depressed, because a lot of people are going through that. Are you willing to go through that? If you are willing, the board is on your hand. So guys, I believe I have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please kindly join the family and watch this video to the end. Share to your friends. As of now, I am out. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Love you guys. Bye.
Yo.